Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to set up screen lock on this device. So if you want to protect your device so nobody can unlock it except you, go to settings, then go to the security, then go to the screen lock, select pattern, pin or password, whatever you want. I'll just go with pin. Then enter your pin, continue, confirm your pin, OK. Here you can select if you want to show notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just don't show any notifications at all. And screen lock aided, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.